Here is how I insert myself and promote myself at city events. I saw this event posted on Facebook with tons of comments, so I reached out and I'll walk you through how I went.
Good afternoon. Thank you for calling City Cleveland Department of Public Health. Let's Save Living. How may I help you?
Hi, how are you doing today?
I'm fine. How are you?
Good. I've been hearing about the prom, the tiny prom.
The Tiny Sex and Tiaras.
Yes. I have a bunch of characters, and it would be cute if like a girl character and a boy character could come. Is there anyone around in charge of the planning? And I wanted to see if that was possible.
Let me pull up that information. One moment. Let's see. They have who gets in charge of that? Give me one moment.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, there was so you can contact. Give me one moment. Let me see if I can find that information. One moment.
No problem. Thanks.
Okay. Hello?
I'm here.
Thanks for holding. So I have a number for someone who's in charge of it. His name is Ramon Weaver. I have an email address and also a phone number for him.
I'll take both.
Okay. Whenever you're ready, and I can spell his name out for you if you would like.
Yes, please.
Okay, so it's spelled R as in Robert, A, M as in Mary, the letter A, H as in Harry, N as in Nancy, last name Weaver. Email address would be R as in Robert, W as in Walrus, E as in Edward, A as in Adam, V as in Victor, E as in Edward, R as in Robert, at urban1.com. That's his email address. Then I have a phone number of 440-317-3003. And then I have the contact information for my manager here at the Department of Public Health. Her name is Etoy Shakilia Young. And I can spell that out for you, or do you just want the email and phone number?
I'll put Miss Young.
Okay.
And
Okay.
I'll take both if you can. If they don't answer, then I'll email.
Okay, whenever you're ready, I'll give you her email address.
I'm ready.
So it's going to be E-Young, the number 4, at clevelandohio.gov.
Okay.
And then I have a telephone number of area code 216-857-1248.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Yeah, you're welcome. Look forward to seeing you there.
Appreciate it.
Okay, you're welcome. Have a good day.
So there you have it. I forgot to record myself calling the actual point of contact, but that went really well. And he was game for. He was like, yeah, but he did say we are reaching the end of our budget. And I contacted him about 2 weeks before the actual event. So after I sent him the information, as you can see, he didn't respond. So I followed up with a email and I offered my services for free because I'm going to be in front of hundreds of families. So why not? I decided to take Hello Kitty and Sonic because Hello Kitty is more of a dress-up character, and then you need a boy character. So that is how you do it, guys, over and over.